bought the black one. Blue one looks so good. So my family needs to buy some electrical appliances. I'm looking to buy a notebook, and if I can't buy today, I'll buy another day. So I used to play PS2, and then I used to have one of these, which is PSP, because I wanted to buy PS3, and then I wanted to buy PS4. But then after I quit gaming, quit the addiction, then I stopped buying new games. Because I used to play GTA, San Andreas. Last time I bought the black one, but then the blue one looks so good. White one looks good too. So right now it's training time, so it's 1 hour of gym, then followed by 1.5 hours of same training later on. And then hopefully if there's enough time, I can go for a quick spa jacuzzi. Actually, this thing here is sort of like a hydrotherapy, although there's one like jacuzzi over there. I can show you. As you can see this round thing here, yeah, that's a jacuzzi, but I don't really use it because I feel like this one is more comfortable. So I'm very tired today, I don't want to go gym, but competition is coming up. I've got to put in the work. So that, let's go. To show you the color of the sky. So this is the gym. It's really nice. Some of the equipment I still haven't used before, like this one, never used before. This one I never used before, but I'm planning to use because my app still need a lot of work. Done with training, almost 7:30, so I still have like 10 minutes left. So normally what I do is that to end of the session, to cool down a little bit, I'll go on the bike. After this there will be 1 hour intense swim session. It's hard as shit. Hard as shit. Now I know you did ask me before how do I balance between trading, running a business, and then training for competitive swimming, and then spend time with family. Some more add that with doing tons of extra stuff like reading books and then doing research, everything, investing in stocks, monitoring stock charts, annual reports. The way to do it is to really don't spend your time on doing stupid shit, like reading gossip magazines, then like watching reality TV shows, then watching Netflix, pointless Netflix. Don't spend any of your time on that. Only use that time to entertain yourself when you are relaxing. Don't spend your time, your free time, when you're the most productive watching dumb shit. Don't spend it around going having coffee with people, then gossip about other people, talking about soccer. Unless you're a professional soccer player, then do that. But then Like too many people just spend their time on useless stuff that doesn't contribute to the long-term goals. End of the day, then they say, oh, I don't have enough time. It's not that you don't have enough time, it's just that you need to learn how to manage your time better, how to spend it on more productive things. Because the thing is, I don't have more time than you. In fact, I feel that I have very little time. It's just that I just choose to spend every single second of my life doing things that help me achieve my long-term goals. Yes, of course, I will experience less so-called entertainment, but my work is my entertainment. My going to the gym is my entertainment. I enjoy all these things. I love my work. So it doesn't feel like work to me. It just feels like I'm playing all the time. To other people, I'm working, but to me, I'm just having fun. Because here's the truth, most of the time that you have lost is just spent scrolling through Facebook, watching random cat videos, and then calling your girlfriend and boyfriend and talking about shit. Or calling your friends, WhatsApping your friends, and talking about random stuff that doesn't matter in the long run. Like, what are you doing that for? Is that more important than your dreams? Is that more important than your dreams?